Hey you guys, this is Judy with Black Butterfly and we're back. This is a question that I get all the time and it's once I've made my sign, how do I ship it out? And so today I'm going to show you how we ship our signs. We use USPS. This method is really only good if you're using USPS. If you're using UPS or FedEx, I would not recommend this method because those larger trucks bang packages around a little bit more, but USPS really specializes in letters and small packages, and so this method works really well. We probably have only had 1 or 2 damaged signs in the whole past year, and we've shipped thousands of signs. And so I hope you enjoy this. So many of you have started sign making businesses or other types of businesses from watching these videos, and so I hope you are encouraged that you have what it takes and that all of these things are really more simple than they seem. So here we just made this wedding sign. It's going to be shipped out to the bride and groom, and I will show you how we ship this. So the first step is having the right size box. You don't want your sign moving around too much in your box, so you really want a box that's just the right size. So this box works for this. I'm going to tell you how we came up with that. So this sign is 28 inches by, I don't know, 18 inches, something like that. And so in order for it to fit, we wanted to find a sign that a box that when it's flat could fit that. And so if you can see these dimensions, it's 12 by 12 by 20. So what that means is it's 12 inches on each of these panels. So if I add that up, that's 24 inches. So that should fit my sign. Then this panel here is 20 inches plus 6 inches plus 6 inches because these only go half the width. So this might sound confusing, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to figure it out. So this is 20 inches plus 6 plus another 6. So that is, what, 32 inches? And I get these on Uline, but you can buy them on Amazon. They're all over. So figure out what dimension of box you need before you get started. So I'm just going to keep this flat. And our methodology is to make this into an envelope, a cardboard pouch, if you will. So all we're doing is sealing up the bottom edges of this box. If you do not have one of these tape dispensers, oh my goodness, get one. I have linked it below on Amazon. That's where we got ours. I cannot live without this tape dispenser, you guys. This is kind of hard to do without a tape dispenser like this. If you're trying to use a tape gun, it's just a little bit harder for this methodology. So just that quick, we have sealed up and taped the edges of this box. And now all we're going to do is put our sign in here just like I'm packaging an envelope, a very large envelope, a wood sign envelope. Okay, so it's that simple. Now what I'm going to do is tape up the top of this box. Again, I've said this before, but having the right workspace is so vital. If you set up a table that's clear of clutter and anything else, you will feel like you can tackle things like this so much easier. Also, we like to keep our costs down for our customers. So we don't want to spend a lot of money on custom made boxes or a lot of time trying to create our own boxes. This is the fastest method we could think of that still protects our signs and keeps our costs down. So that's it. We usually do like 25 signs in 1 hour. That's how quick we are at this now. And then I just stick the label on and off it goes to the post office. So I hope that feels a little bit more achievable for you guys who are making signs but you haven't started shipping them yet. You can do this. I promise you, you can. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. It's shop_blackbutterfly, and we have a lot more behind the scenes of our business and what we do. So please follow me there, and then comment below. Let us know, what kind of content are you looking for? Was this helpful? Anything like that, that would be great. Also, please stay in touch. I have gotten to know so many of you and been able to cheer you on in your own business and what you're doing, and that just brings a lot of joy to us. So thanks so much for watching. All the links are below on content, and check out the rest of our videos. Thanks guys, bye.